Alright, we are on the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I think we're climbing pretty good waves on this one. This is one of the longer ones around, I believe. At least that's what they advertise. People flying off there pretty hot. Oh yeah, we got a little more climbing to do. Should get some pretty good views of the area around here. We're pretty close to Dollywood. I don't know if we'll be able to see much Dollywood, but we are within a mile or so of the park, so you might see the top of Wild Eagle or something from up here. I'm not sure. This one might be the one that has theming that I was thinking about. If you watch the one of the Moonshine Mountain Coaster, I thought that one had theming. It might actually be this one.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Alright. Here we go. Woo! Haha. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, it slows you down for you. Okay. This one is blocked off in sections. Caution, look ahead. A little bit of theming around. Oh. Alright. This one's interesting. I guess I'm gonna have to push down on my things to keep going forward. There comes my dad. Hey, Dad. Oh, the general store there. That's cool. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. This one does have some theming. I don't know if it's going to be as extensive as Lost Mine, but definitely going to have a fair bit of it. We'll fly right past that thing. Alrighty, another, I kind of call them fast sections.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Woo! Woo! There's that same advertisement from the station. There's the pond. Hey, got a picture. Oh, it's gonna slow us down. Oh! And we caught up with some people, alright. Alright. And also, it's a 9-minute long mountain coaster. There's some fairly slow sections to this one. Got a nice little pond off here to the left. Back up we go. There's a bear pee in the woods. Yes, he does. European. Get to climb through a tunnel here. Oh, squirrel! Hey, squirrel! Squirrel went under us. Pretty high up here. Somewhere in Pigeon Forge.
Riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Playing music up here at the top. I think it's the same stuff that's playing at the bottom. It's playing a lot of music in the station for this one. Might be able to pick up some speed here. Make our way off the mountain. Oh yeah, the other guy's gone, so we're good. Woo! Alright. Here we go. Oh! Woo! Definitely not as fast as Ripley's Helixes are. Oh, we're slowing down a little bit. Oh, yes. Kind of right back around where we was. Kind of put some space between us here. All right. I think this is going to be our last incline. Not too sure though. This is an interesting one, for sure. Very interesting mountain coaster ride. Kind of need to give it a little bit of... No, not necessarily. Alright. Alright. Incline we go. Someone's weed eating up here by the general store now. Gotta keep her looking nice and clean. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be the last incline or not. At this point, there go some people. Well, yeah, we're kind of back up here. That's our first incline, so. Alright, here we go. Of course, full speed as always. Oh, there's the picture. Oh yeah, we're heading back towards the station now. Woohoo! Alright. Woo! Oh, slow us down a little bit. Hey! Last helix. Woo! And she slows us down. Alright, good stuff. Rocky Top Mountain Coaster.